Okay, let's do another episode. Let's see, I finished. I'm still in the basement level with I think that the water has been done. Basement level water. Okay. So, let's go with the waste. Let's see. So I'm going to try and plumb up this basement level waste area. I'm going to close this out and let's look at section view. Let's go to this section. Okay, that looks good. Let's go back. I think what I'm going to do is look at a 3D view of all of this. So let's expand this and go to a 3D section. And that's it right there. Let's do this. View, tile view. Okay, that looks good. Yeah, okay, section. So I'm gonna look at that at the same time. Let's see if I can get this. No, let's just look at it like that. That'll be good. And bring this down a little bit. Okay. So let's start off with the lavatory, and coming out of the lavatory is usually 1 1/2 inch, but I want to make sure that I get my pipe type right, which is the cast iron, sanitary, and my system type is going to be sanitary. Okay, so let me put this back on the other monitor so I can have a little bit of a real estate here. So that's 1 1/2 inch. Let's go here, here, and then down past the floor. I think that's, let's look at this link. And that is tab, and that is, yeah, basement concrete, 12-inch concrete. Uncheck that. Okay. Let's put a P-trap in for the lavatory. Okay, what I'm gonna do is bring this back up a little bit. Okay, that looks good. Now, so, and at the same time, you can see that this is being populated, which is a good thing about Revit. You can see everything. I think I'm gonna turn off the architect's model. Okay, now let's go to the water closet. That's good. Tighten it up a little bit. Okay, now, okay, and draw another 4 inch, draw a 4 inch off the water closet. Make sure my pipe type is sanitary and system type is sanitary. Pipe type is cast iron. I'm not sloping these because it's a illustration, but in the field, I'm sure that these pipes are going to be sloped, and there's no trap. Well, this is the bowl in here is the trap for the vent, so there's no trap for a water closet. Let's go over again for the next water closet. Do the same thing. Pipe type is going to be cast iron, and the system type is going to be sanitary. No slope. Let's go down. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's go over again. I think I'm going to need to put floor drains in these two bathrooms. But for now, let's continue with our pipe in here. 1 1/2 inch. Cast iron sanitary. Go here, here, and down. And a P-trap is here. Let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna bring this up and let's change that pipe and tab that pipe. Oh, wait. It's gonna be a 2-inch. So I'm changing that to a 2-inch. Usually it's a 2-inch coming off the lavatory. So I'm gonna change those 2 inches. And from here, what I'm gonna need is a floor drain. Okay, so I'm looking at my plumbing fixtures. Let me drag this back over. So the floor drain here, it's here. Okay, so I'm gonna drag that over to my bathrooms. So what's defaulted is place on vertical face, so it's not a vertical face. Place on face, that's going to be the face of an object like the lavatory or water closet, something like that, but we don't want to do that. What we want to do is put the floor drain on a work plane, okay? And it's about right here, okay? And let's put the other one about right there. Okay. Now, and let's go over, let's tighten it up a little bit. I think that I'm gonna do that like that. Let's see what we got over here. Okay, that's our floor drain. And our floor drain should be here. Good. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. And again, we're doing our sanitary, cast iron, cancel. Let's do this, let's try this again. Okay, and that's gonna be a 3-inch over. Okay, and I'm gonna need to put a trap in there. So everything looks good. What I could do is copy that, but just for the sake of doing something, it might be easier to copy it over, but I'm gonna just do the same thing here, over to the wall, and put another trap in here. Okay, bring that up as much to the floor as I can. Okay, now what we need to do is I'm going to slope everything from right to left. Okay, and then it's going to go out to a sump pit. Okay, so let's do this. Let's start with the I think I want to start with a 4-inch. I think I'm going to start with a 4-inch. This guy. Okay. Let's see. Can I? No. Let's do this. Rotate. -90. Okay. And maybe I should align this up first. Let's here up. I don't know what's going on. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Let's go back. Okay. This can be a little tricky, but you get the idea, I think. I should slope this. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, just to be just to practice. Slope down, slope down, okay. And go back. This guy, that looks good. And slope up at 4 inches. Slope up. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. I think that I'm gonna do a detail line and kind of trim this back a little bit. Okay, let's do this. Trim. Okay. And all the way down, slope down at 4 inches. Slope down at 1/8 of an inch is equal to 1 foot. Let's go maybe there. Okay. Let's bring that out a little bit. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3. Now I need the, look at the floor drain, and that's those guys hiding back there. Okay, so what I need to do is align everything up, right? Let's do that. Okay. Wait. Okay. So I'm gonna align this with that. Yeah, that looks good. And let's take this one back a little bit, just so we can get a good alignment out of this guy. Align this guy with that guy. Okay. And I think what I'm gonna do, wait. Okay. Let's go over there. That's our 4 inch. Draw a pipe down, slope down. Okay. And we're going to align again. That's a 2 inch with the 4 inch. Okay. So that looks good. And we can look at these guys. Okay. I think that I'm gonna do a detail. Go here and trim it back just a little bit so I can get some room when I get ready to connect these. Should have left that line there, but I'm not gonna worry about it right now. Okay, so here, trim it back. Let's connect these would it be better to connect? Let's do this. View, tab. Let's just look at this. So I got the floor drains, the 2 floor drains. I'm going to do that later. But in the meantime, let's extend 1 pipe, 2 inch. Okay, that looks good. Let's do my 4 inch. Extend 1 pipe into another. Hope I have enough room. Okay, that looks good. Let's do another one for the laboratory. Okay, now let's do the floor drains. Let's go back to our views and tile those guys. And what I need to do, I think, let's rotate that 90 degrees. And look at the floor drain and see how that guy is lining up. But before I do that, let's turn off the link so that I'm not accidentally highlighting anything. Let's put a cap on that. And yes. And where are we? So this is the floor drain, huh? I want to take a look at medium headline. Medium, what about fine? Yeah, that's good. Okay. Let's do a detail line. Nope, nope, nope. Detail, DL, here. Okay. And what I need to do is modify and align that pipe with that guy. Okay. Okay. And let's go back and look at the other floor drain. Did I get it? Nope, I didn't get all of it. Let's just get it like that. Okay. So, same thing, detail line. Let's align this guy. Okay. It's not quite on the center, so I'm using the arrow key to bring it down just a little bit. Yeah, that's about center. Revit can get a little picky. So we're going to go here and here, and let's see what we got. I think I might be able to do it in this 3D view. Active tab. That's very close. Waste. I'm gonna move it over a little bit because it doesn't. I'm just gonna be safe. Move it over. I hope that's gonna give me section. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Extend. Nope. Let's extend it again. Extend. Nope. Something's not right. Something is not right. Let's go to the top view. Maybe I can drag this. Okay. But what that needs to be, sanitary T instead of a combination. So I'm looking at my notes here. Let's do this. Okay. Here. So let's bring this over. Where is it? Reducing standard. Yeah, that's the one I want. Okay, and do the same thing for the second floor drain. Can I use? Nope, it's not gonna let me do it. I don't know why. Okay. Extend here. All right, and what I need to do is change that to a sanitary T reducing. Yeah, okay. Now let's go back to section. So it looks like everything is adding up, I hope, because I need to look at the plumbing fixture units. It should be adding up here, right? Okay, good. Okay, we got fixed units. It should be changing. That should be 17. Okay, so it looks good. Okay. So it looks like everything worked out. And the rest of this, it's for another time. This will probably say to some pit, 4-inch to some pit, and then from the basement it needs to go up to the first floor. And we can adjust these, and work with the architect to get these walls a little thicker maybe. Because what we can do is push these back, but then the fittings are gonna go inside. may not let us go too far in. So there's going to be an adjustment. So I think I'm going to stop here and continue the next time. Okay. All right. I'll talk to you guys later.